Masyado kayong deep. It's just common courtesy. He was one of the few leaders that I make sure that I talk to everyone as much as possible. I always get something out of it there. I think I'm getting a reputation because I pick everybody's brain. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? What are you going to do about this? What are you going to do about that? And I learn a lot. Um, but in the case of President Xi, it was very quick lang. And yun na nga, sabi ko, patapos na ito, matatapos na ito. He made already his final speech. Hindi ko pa nakamayan kahit minsan in the last 2 days. Baka naman sabihin, akala yung mga Pilipino, hindi tayo marunong. Diba? So I made sure to be able to find, so habang nakaupo pa sila lahat, lumapit na ako. I shook his hand and the foreign minister, Wang Yi, who was sitting behind him, came and did some translation for us. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, congratulations. I hope we look forward to doing a lot of good work with you as APEC chair. And he said, thank you, thank you. That was it. It was really not very much to it.
May follow-up. We're on a different topic naman po. What is your reaction on a